Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guaranty RV. Thank you for taking the time to check out our website. Today I'm going to show you a really cool product. If you haven't seen the Winnebago Revel yet, we're going to go over it inside and out. It's a four-wheel drive unit, quite unique. Follow me inside. So if you are like a lot of customers out there and have been waiting for four-wheel drive to hit the mainstream market, it finally has. This Winnebago Revel has been so popular, we've sold a ton of them. It's on the 19-foot chassis, so it's a short model. It's got a bed here in the back that raises and lowers electrically. So you just push a button and this will go all the way up to the ceiling. It does have AC. It's not going to be very useful when your bed's all the way up there though. So when the bed's up on the ceiling, you've got this entire back area and you can use that for bicycles, kayaks, dog crates or kennels. You can use really whatever you can fit in that space, and it's quite convenient to have. If you're an active person, this might be the van you've been looking for. So it does have an induction stove. Your sink is right here. Over here, we've got, I think I just locked it. There we go. We've got a bathroom or a closet. It's really whatever you want. So there's shower hookup right here, hot and cold, and place to put the faucet. You've got a hanging bar across here right now. So a lot of people tend to use this for a closet. These bamboo shelves will come out of here if you want to have hanging space. If you want to use it as a restroom, you can take both shelves out and just have the restroom. It does have a cassette toilet, so it's not a huge holding tank. It's probably only going to be good for a night or so. Here's your leg, your table leg right here. You've actually got a table that's mounted here on the outside where that table leg will go. It unclips and lowers down, and you've got a place to eat outside. You've also got a table here that'll lift up, and then there's a table here for this seat, and these seats here swivel. So if you wanted to, you could use this table. It will open up there we go, towards this chair, and so when this is swiveled around, both people can eat here and use this table. It's pretty cool. The windows can open all the way up. You can pass things through there. You can black it out. You can screen it. It's really whatever you choose. Really, really unique way of doing the windows. You can also lock them open so no one can get in, but there's a little gap in there so you can get some airflow. Storage here in the front, above the cab, and behind the driver's seat. Now you've got, most of your control panels are right here. You've got lights, your water heater, your inverter, furnace. This is a solar controller. There are solar panels up on top. This is your one place, so this will tell you, control your water pump, your tank levels, your battery levels, and this is going to raise and lower the bed. It takes a key in here and then it'll just lift it all the way up. So let's go over some features on the outside real quick. It's nice. This one, you just pull the handle, the door closes automatically. Same thing to open it. Just pull the handle, the door opens automatically. No more having to slide it, open and close. And you also can open it with the key fob. So if you're bringing groceries in, perhaps, you can hit the button, open the door, and never have to drop your groceries. Electric awning above runs the entire length of the van here. We've got some nice beefy off-road tires with some great looking black wheels. Really sharp looking van. You can see these, it's got a little bit of a bump out or cut out here in the back. That's to get a larger person in that bed. When it comes down, it's 6 foot. So these bump outs take it out to, I believe, 6'2". So you can get a 6'2" person in there and fit them comfortably. Got some 110 power here. And this is a portable solar panel plug. Again, it does have solar on top. It is set up to tow. It's got the hitch and the wiring ready to go. It does come with a ladder. We've got those put away for right now, but it will come with the ladder. It's also got a backup camera up top. And as we move around to this side, pretty clean, pretty basic looking over here. We've got our connection here for your 30 amp power cord. This is where your cassette is for the toilet, so you will unlock this. It's a box about this big that has wheels and a handle. You'll pull that out and take that over to the dump station and dump your waste. You've also got your gray dump here for the water that runs through this. It's not a toilet, but for your sink. This is where your hose will hook up, and this is your valve pull. Great running boards. This is your city water fill. And then for your diesel, you're not going to be able to access that when the door is closed. It has to be open to be able to fill your diesel. So it's a nice security measure to keep your diesel protected. This van has a ton of safety features. It is on the 2020 chassis, so it's got all the new stuff that everybody wants. If you have any questions on this RV or any others we have in stock, please don't hesitate. Please give me a call. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. I hope to hear from you soon.